The holidays are here, a time of joy, family, and celebration. But for millions of people, it's also the time when financial mistakes are made. Did you know that the average American racks up over $1,300 in holiday credit card debt each year? What's worse, many don't pay it off until spring or even summer, leading to hundreds of dollars lost to interest. If you want to stay financially sharp and stress-free, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 golden rules for properly using your credit card during the holidays. These strategies will not only help you save money, but also protect your credit score, maximize rewards, and ensure you're ahead of the game financially. Stay with me because rule number 7 is the one most people overlook, and it's costing them thousands. Rule 1. Set a spending limit before you start. Holidays bring endless temptations, sales, last-minute deals, and the pressure to splurge on loved ones. But the first golden rule is this: decide your spending limit before you swipe your card. Why is this important? Because credit cards give the illusion of having more money than you actually do. Without a clear limit, you risk overspending and falling into debt. How to do it? Create a holiday budget. Include gifts, travel, food, and decorations. Stick to the budget. Use apps like Mint or NAB. You need a budget to track every transaction. Set alerts. Most credit cards let you set spending alerts to notify you when you're approaching your limit. By defining your boundaries, you'll spend smarter and avoid that post-holiday regret. Rule 2. Always pay more than the minimum balance. Credit card companies make billions of dollars from interest payments every year. The holidays are no exception. When you only pay the minimum amount, you're setting yourself up for a debt snowball. Here's the math. Let's say you spend $1,500 during the holidays and only pay the minimum each month. With an average APR of 20%, you'll end up paying over $600 in interest, and it could take years to pay off. The fix? Pay in full. If possible, pay off your statement balance every month to avoid interest entirely. Pay more than minimum. If you can't pay in full, aim to pay at least 2 to 3 times the minimum amount. This one habit could save you thousands over your lifetime. I know a lot of you have made big plans to buy some stuff for yourself and your loved ones this holiday, either gadgets, clothes, or whatever. Write in the comment some things you plan on buying this holiday. Rule 3. Take advantage of cashback and rewards. One of the smartest ways to use your credit card during the holidays is by maximizing its benefits. Many cards offer cashback, travel points, or store-specific discounts that can make every purchase work in your favor. How to do it? Know your card's perks. Check if your card offers extra cashback on holiday purchases or specific categories like groceries and gifts. Strategize your spending. Use different cards for different categories. For example, use one card for travel rewards and another for shopping. Redeem smartly. Redeem points for statement credits or cash instead of low-value items like merchandise. Remember, if you're paying off your balance in full, you're essentially getting paid to shop. Rule 4. Avoid store credit cards at all costs. We've all been there. You're at checkout, and the cashier offers you a store credit card with a 20% discount on your purchase. It sounds tempting, but don't fall for it. Here's why. High interest rates. Store cards often have APRs exceeding 25%, which can wipe out any discount you initially received. Limited usability. Unlike traditional credit cards, store cards can only be used at specific retailers. Impact on credit score. Opening multiple store cards in a short period can lower your credit score due to hard inquiries and reduced average account age. Instead, use your regular credit card and focus on cashback or rewards points. The long-term benefits far outweigh a one-time discount. If you want to know more about luxury, wealth, and lifestyle, my channel has a variety of topics, including personal finance, success tips, and insights into the lives of wealthy individuals aimed at helping you improve your life and achieve your goals. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells because I dish out valuable information every week. Rule 5. Be mindful of your credit utilization ratio. Your credit utilization ratio is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. It's a key factor in your credit score, accounting for 30% of your FICO score. Why does this matter during the holidays? Because overspending can push your utilization above 30%, which signals to lenders that you're over-reliant on credit. This can lower your credit score, even if you're making payments on time. How to manage it? Spread purchases across cards. If you have multiple credit cards, use them strategically to keep utilization low on each. Request a credit limit increase. If you're planning larger purchases, consider asking for a higher limit to maintain a healthy ratio. Pay mid-cycle. Don't wait for the due date. Pay down your balance mid-cycle to reduce reported utilization. By keeping your utilization in check, you'll protect your credit score and maintain financial flexibility. Rule 6. Watch out for fraud and identity theft. Holiday shopping often involves multiple transactions, both online and in-store, which increases the risk of fraud. In fact, cybercrime spikes during the holiday season as scammers take advantage of busy shoppers. How to protect yourself. Enable alerts. Set up transaction alerts to get real-time notifications for every purchase. Use virtual credit card numbers. Some banks offer temporary card numbers for online shopping to keep your real card details secure. Stick to secure sites. Only shop on websites with HTTPS in the URL and avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Monitor statements. Check your credit card statements frequently to catch unauthorized charges early. Vigilance is your best defense against fraud. Remember, a secure transaction is a smart transaction. Rule 7. Use 0% APR promotional offers wisely. If you're planning big-ticket purchases, a 0% APR credit card can be a powerful tool, but only if used correctly. Here's the deal. 0% APR cards let you spread payments over several months without incurring interest. However, failing to pay off the balance before the promotional period ends can lead to retroactive interest charges. How to use them effectively. Calculate payments. Divide the total purchase by the number of months in the promotional period and stick to that payment schedule. Avoid additional debt. Don't use the card for other purchases unless you can pay them off immediately. Read the fine print. Understand what happens if you miss a payment or carry a balance past the promo period. When used responsibly, 0% APR offers can save you a significant amount of money while easing holiday expenses. If you have followed this video till this time, congratulations, because I have some bonus tips for you. Bonus tips for holiday credit card use. While the 7 rules are your foundation, Here are a few bonus tips to take your credit card strategy to the next level. Avoid cash advances. The fees and interest rates on cash advances are sky high. Use your debit card or cash instead. Don't max out rewards cards. Some cards have limits on the rewards you can earn in specific categories. Keep track of these caps. Freeze your credit card mentally if you find yourself tempted to overspend. Leave your card at home and shop with cash instead. Using a credit card during the holidays doesn't have to be a financial nightmare. By following these 7 golden rules, setting a budget, paying more than the minimum, maximizing rewards, avoiding store cards, monitoring utilization, staying secure, and leveraging 0% APR, you can make the most of the season without sacrificing your financial health. And remember, your financial habits today will determine your wealth tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's all enjoy the holidays responsibly this year. See you in the next video.